So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to earn money from affiliate marketing on the Fiverr mobile application. So once Fiverr's opened up, if you go on the home screen here, you might see this if you scroll down a little bit. Share and get up to $100 off. Give friends a 10% discount up to $100 off their first Fiverr order. So you can't actually, so if you were to go ahead and invite friends right here, it's going to bring up the link. You can share it with people. You don't actually get money back, like in regards to like every successful referral through affiliate marketing, you earn money, but you actually earn a discount, which can then obviously be used towards hiring people for jobs. And with that savings, it's basically like hiring them at a bit of a discount, or that could potentially generate you more money. So if you're not really too sure where to find this link right here, for me, it's on the home screen. It can also be in the bottom right here under My Fiverr. Press on Invite Friends, press Invite Friends right there, and then you can earn money this way, or I guess earn money off is probably a better way to describe it, which I guess in theory could earn you money later on because of the discount. But you guys get the point through affiliate marketing. Just go ahead and invite friends right here using this referral link. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to earn money from affiliate marketing on the Fiverr mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.